Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you easy way to begin your twist using thread or using braiding hair. And the most important is this technique is pain free, no pain at all. But if it's your first time you stop by, hello, welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification, help me to share this video with your loved one. That helps me a lot. To start, I make the section. You may decide to make any section you want. Then I split the section into two. Each section I use 6 strands, but you may decide to use more depending on how big you want your size to be. Here I'm going to put this strand in between these two sections, and then one side of my hair going up while other side going down. Before I start rolling, I make sure both sides is secured enough, and one side I make sure I secure it well with my middle finger and my ring finger, while my index and my thumb finger is free, so that it will help me hold the section I started to roll to avoid that section to unravel. After I roll till I feel it's tight enough, then I pass other section. You may decide either to pass on top or under, that is all okay. And then after I pass, I make sure I also roll. I make sure I pull the yarn with my natural hair together. Then I roll till I feel like the hair are hold tight enough, and then I start to make twists. Here the way I make twists, I make sure I roll both sides and then I twist so that I can get even. Then here I roll and twist, roll and twist. You may decide the length of your twist you want, and then after end I take only one strand. I wrap a couple times. You may decide to wrap 3 times, 4 times, and then I secure 2 times to avoid the twist to unravel. That is most secure. Don't secure like 1 time, because that is a little bit risk. And then again I make section. I divided this section into 2. I take yarn, I put in between. I make sure each side is opposite to each other, so I make sure I hold one side well to avoid the yarn to slide out when I roll another side. And then I start roll from the roots, so I hold my hair from down and then I start roll from down, so that I'll be roll my hair well. And after this, just see what I'm doing, just like this way, and then I hold my hair from down and I start roll from down, and I keep rolling till I feel I roll tight enough, not too tight, but I roll tight enough, and then I start to make twists. Both sides I roll and twist, roll and twist. And guys, this method is pain-free. And if you're wondering like why I decided this shape of twist, is because I want something very simple, and here is summer, so it's really hot, so I decided to make something simple and yet easy to take care and maintain during this season, because here it's really hot. So I just want something simple, and the most important is this hair looks like my natural hair. It doesn't really show. So those people who have been asking like how I braid back of my head, guys, I decided from now every video I'll show you guys how I braid back section. So the way I braid back not far from the way I braid fronts. Here the things change is the way you put your hand. So here you have to put your hand both in back, and then you just roll just the same way as I roll in front. But here, once you make twists, your hand, all of them, they're supposed to be back to support each other. And then here you have to roll and twist, roll and twist. And another thing, to braid back section more easy, the best way is to have 2 mirrors, so that you can see exactly what you're doing, and if you hold all the hair well. So here I have 2 mirrors which help me so that I can see clearly like what I'm doing in back section. Okay, let me show you guys one more time on how I braid back. I make section and then I split my natural hair into two. Yarn is there, I put in two different directions, and then I start roll. Here I roll going front, and other side I'll be rolling going back. Then I keep rolling till I feel like my hair is really tight enough, not too tight. So when I feel like I hold my hair well, not too tight, as I said, this hair or this technique is pain free, and then I start to make twists. And here I also make sure I roll both sides and then I make twists so that I can get even twists and knit. So I continue wrap and twist till end of this session, and then I secure 2 times.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. Side by side, you know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming, you know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
So guys, here I'm done with braiding. I'll go ahead and trim off all excess yarn. Make sure this style is neat and clean. And after finish trim, you may decide to burn the ends, but once you burn the ends, the hair is gonna stuck on some of your clothes. So if you don't burn it, you can just add some accessory or just leave it like this way. And this is the final results for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, kindly hit the subscribe button below. Give this video a big thumbs up and help me to share with your loved one. That means a lot. I love you guys and I'll see you soon. Bye.